Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'll be recapping my trade of the day. Um, but first, let me go over what I was watching. So, for today, I was watching Shop and Google to the downside, and they ended up working beautifully. You see that Shop is in this channel, and we have this mini resistance right here, this long-term resistance. So I was watching the break of the channel, targeting this demand because we had this nice move up. So I was speculating that price would facilitate towards it. So you can see that it broke down, and I did try getting filled right here. Um, Thankfully I didn't because the spreads were so bad, so I instantly canceled that order. And the price moved up to the supply. We gathered some orders and then we sold off. Um, so yeah, shot worked out nicely. Google, Google did as well. Um, yeah, you can see this channel was flagging and it broke down. Um, this key level right here as well, and this is just simple TA. So came up and broke that, and I think we had demand as well, then validated. Um, this is the one I took though. Took Amazon break of actually no, I took this is kind of a contextual trade. I took Amazon right here, um, just based on screen time and just watching buyers and sellers. So you can see that Amazon came down to this demand, instantly shot it right, and then right here, I was actually looking to take it long. So this area, I was actually taking Amazon. I was going to wait for this consolidation, a break above it, and then a retest of this consolidation zone. So what I'm saying is a break of this. So ignore this. I was going to say so Amazon a RBR of this, and then a retest of this consolidation for a leg move of higher, because now I'm really focusing on um, placing my trades at a best risk reward possible. So I like to take trades that have a little bit of consolidation, or period of time or price action that tells me where buyers and sellers are. So you can see that there's a huge wall right here that of sellers right here sitting here. So I took the trade above this, entering close to the zone, and then I targeted this demand. Um, I did actually record this, so let me show you. Okay, so let's see. Give me a second. Let me put it up. All right. So yeah, this was my Amazon trade. You can see that I entered um, right at this anchored VWAP and this intraday resistance zone. Right when SPY and Q were in their intraday resistance zones. Um, so yeah, let's see. Let's speed this up a little bit. So yeah, as SPY on QQQ started coming up, they instantly started wicking off. So that was another confirmation. If they didn't, that would have been fine. I would have cut the play because this had a really tight stop. Um, you can see there's a wall right here, and sellers, as soon as sellers started getting up to this anchored VWAP and this intraday zone, we instantly started rejecting it. Um, so yeah, we started coming down heavy. Um, Broke down below VWAP, and now I would like to see it hold. Nice. It did hold. Um, and now I just keep moving my stop up, right? So obviously my stop was here. Now I would move my stop to this, and then now I would move my stop above VWAP. So as it keeps coming down, I'm just mentally moving my stop up, um, making sure the trade is risk free, and so yeah. And now, next part of this trade is this part where QQ comes down to VWAP. So if VWAP held and the market started to bounce off of it, I would have cut it off, would have took profits right there, because now I know that the momentum is towards the upside and buyers were able to defend um, VWAP. So yeah, so we started wicking here because there was some what's it called? We were deciding. to hold VWAP on the market or not. So held through this because my final plan was demand. This is obviously where I would have taken profits if I had more than one contract, but Amazon is expensive and my account's not that big. But nevertheless, I did make like 77% on this trade, so it was really nice. Um, so let's see. Yeah, I kept wicking, and then we finally broke through VWAP here. And I think, yeah, this candle right here. Sellers were stepping up right here. There's no reason to sell right here because uh, we're not having an aggressive move towards the upside. So held, just stuck to my plan, discipline, and I placed my limit at 13 because whole number aligned with the demand. And I think as we started moving down in here is where I get filled. Yeah, should be it.
Order
Yeah,
filled.
there we go. So got filled, pretty quick trade. Playing one